If you want to be using Photoshop for completely free in 2024, what I would recommend you do is go ahead and watch till the end of this video, because without showing you guys any weird cracks or downloading any weird virus-y looking programs where you don't know if, like, I don't know, it's just some Indian guy who's just going to go ahead and hack into your stuff and then boom, they have all your bank details. In this case, I'm going to be showing you a completely free Photoshop alternative that you can use on any device except your phone. And it's all based in the web browser. And the best part is that it both can load and export PSD files. So that means that you guys can literally just start using this version instead of the actual Photoshop and pick up where you left off. So what you guys are going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your web browser of choice. It doesn't matter. I'm just on Firefox for this example. And you're going to want to look up Photopea. Just like that, guys. And you're going to find this exact website right here. Photopea is a completely free open source version of Photoshop that's entirely based in your browser. So if I go ahead and open it up right here, I can go ahead and show you guys that it actually does work. All you need to do is you just need to select if you want a new project, if you want to open from your computer, or if you want to drop in any files. Unfortunately, they do have ads on their site right here, but they do keep their ads on the sidebar and you don't have to look at them that much. And if you really want to, I would recommend just getting an ad blocker. uBlock Origin would completely get rid of them, but that's really the only downside. But if we go like right here, for example, they can pull stuff from Google Drive. So if you have a Google Drive or a OneDrive or a Dropbox, they also have their own drive. You guys can literally just load in all that stuff and then just access it from wherever you want. So I use Photopea all the time when I'm on like a school computer, or if I'm at like my grandma's house and I want to do some Photoshop editing, I'll just load it from my Google Drive directly into Photopea. And to show you guys that you can go ahead and open any Photoshop file, I'm going to go ahead and just take this Photoshop file that I was working on and load it in. And as you guys can see, it loads in exactly as you would expect. It even comes with every single layer. You guys can open, you can close the layers as much as you want. And you can go ahead and make any changes. So if I want to just add a text change here, that just said, ha 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 ha. You know, something autistic and stupid like that. I can then, after that, click check mark. Just to show you guys that it does work and they do extract, I'll go ahead and show you the file when I go ahead and open it up in Photoshop directly from my computer. In order to export, all you got to do is you just got to go to File, and then click Save as PSD. And then it will save it right here. And then if I go ahead and click Open, it opens the exact same file with all the changes, as well as the new layer and the new text layer right here, directly into Photoshop, real Photoshop. This is not a cracked version of Photoshop. I do also pay for Photoshop, but I honestly probably wouldn't pay for Photoshop if I knew about Photopea, because it's literally the same thing. You get all of the same features. The only difference is that Photopea doesn't have a lot of like the generative AI stuff that Photoshop has, but I've heard somewhere that they're working on that. But honestly, most of the Photoshop AI is bad. So so if you really want good photo gen AI, just use Midjourney like everyone else. But what I will say is that Photopea is an awesome, completely free alternative that anybody can use from any location. It's available worldwide. You can open PSD files, you can open from a Google Drive, and it being completely web-based honestly makes it more convenient than real Photoshop. But with that all being said, guys, that is the end of today's video. If you guys did enjoy the video, and if you have any suggestions for future videos that you want me to make, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Since I didn't sell you anything, or I didn't get you to download any weird files, the only thing that I asked for me providing this completely free value to you is going ahead and clicking the like button, as well as going ahead and clicking the subscribe button with post notifications, because on the Xavier channel, I am dropping nothing but value for you guys 24/7. I got tons of videos. I even got a video right here that you guys can click on if you want to watch another one. Thank you so much for watching, and hope that you have a good day. Bye.